leaves falling, pumpkin carving, birds singing, soup tasting, day shining, bonfire glowing, harvest picking, acorn finding, jumper wearing, hedgehog hiding, night falling, hot chocolate drinking, fireworks popping, squirrel climbing, windshield frosting.
Good harvest! Years ago I was a farmer and my neighbour had a field, but he wouldn't let it go to briars. He was not considered a yield.
As I passed this field one evening, there in my pocket I found 4 tiny seeds left over from those I planted in the ground.
So I tossed them in his garden, not so mindful what would be if he sprouted with flowers. Mind the chaos what we will see. Summer rains and hops and blasts, wind and snow upon the ground. In the spring I gladly noted when there among the weeds I found little plants with leaves uplifted burst through the cluttered sod, like the saints in the sending one hand uplifted raising them. 4 dirty unkept siblings, wiggling, squirming in their chairs, no one watching, no one caring how or why we found them there.
Rowdy, lively, always talking, they put my patience to the test. But I found that they were hungry, so I did my very best.
Jesus loved his little children, each is precious in his eyes. Long years passed and I'm grateful for I found a sweet supply. In the field where I had laboured the word of God as best as I could, I found 4 happy Christians planted strong and faithful, that is good.
The Scarecrow. The Scarecrow stands silent and tall, watching over the harvest. Overall, his straw-filled heart does a song call, guarding the fields to spring to fall. In his duty, he finds his thrall. The Scarecrow stands silent and tall. When the harvest moon ends its call, his bottom eyes gleam, enchant us all. His straw-filled heart a song does call. In the rustle of the leaves, in the hours of storm, in the quiet moments he does a fall. Scarecrow stands silent and tall, symbol of the harvest festival of nature's cycle, life protocol, his straw-filled heart a song. The Scarecrow stands silent and tall. Let's stand tall. For the harvest gifts and joys of course, Scarecrow stands silent and tall. His straw-filled heart a song does call. So let's give thanks. Let's stand tall, silent and tall. His straw-filled heart a song does call.
Harvest close.
Have you cut the oats from the browsing field?
The wheat and the corn with their golden yields.
The fields are shorn of the waving wheat. The corn is cut and gathered in. The barley and the measures of rye we safely stored away in the bin.
Have you garnered the garden's full supply, and for winters to laid it prudently by?
We've gathered the garden's lavish yield. Beans, carrots and beets of ruddy glow and housed them away diligently away.
Protected from the winter's frost and snow.
Have you picked the nuts from the branches tall?
And the purple grapes from the vines of folk? We gleaned the treasures of hill and vale.
The trees we've raided to the top and safely stored away. Of the children love to pop. The fruits of the orchards are bending low, are plucked before the rose wind blows. The rosy apples from the bough,
The plums, the peach and the tempting pear, we have sheltered from the north wind's breath.
and hoarded them away with care. Our harvests are gathered from shore to shore. The bins are filled and running over, since autumn's bounties are gathered in. and prudently stored away. From east to west, let the nation keep
A joyous harvest day!
Baker's loaf. The baker kneads with skill, with love, with might, turning grains into bread. A delicious sight, a testament to harvest life's flight. From the golden fields to the oven's light, a journey of transforming day and night. The baker kneads with skill, with love, with might. We break bread under the starlight, showing the harvest's bounty, pure and white. A testament to harvest life's flight. In every crumb, in every bite, a story of love, of nature's might. The baker needs your skill with love, with might. So let's give thanks. Let's hold each other tight for the harvest's gift. For the baker's delight, a testament to harvest life's light. For in the loaf in its golden light, we see the reflection of our own delight. The baker needs his skill with love, with might, a testament to the harvest, to life's flight.
So friend, come sit with me and listen to my tale. For autumn time approaching, time to gather, reap and bale. But as we come together to make offerings of food, we should look back at harvest as was made of you. The spirit of tale is harvest long ago, when all was done by hand and when the job was long and slow. No bailiffs and no forkers to make a light a heavy load, with many hands and many weeks to reap the crops they sowed.
The seeds have all been nurtured right throughout the year. The success of farming was standing tall and clear. The golden ears of corn were waving boldly in the breeze, with a whoosh and a will and a whisper calling out, "Come reap us, please." The fruits within the bulging tree had ripened in the sun, and were threatening to let go of the branches, one by one. The vegetables had bloomed deep underneath the rich, dark soil, and the village all as one were preparing for the toil.
The strongest, most respected man would manage all the work. His name was Lord of the Harvest, to ensure no one would shirk. Come villagers, come one, come all, come farmers, come wives, come children, come workers. Let's make sure this harvest thrives. Pick up your scythes and sickles and bring your horses and carts. Let's gather all our crops for this year's final harvest starts. The work is hard and heavy, while the days were full and long, but workers kept their spirits up with the music and some song.
They cut off all the corn until just one last patch remained, where the spirit of the corn was thought to be contained. The farmers threw their sickles at this last corn from afar, singing, "If we don't get too close, she won't know who we are."
This special corn was planted, pulling stems into a braid, and then finished with a ribbon, so a corn dolly was made. The dolly was kept upon the table all year long, to bring good luck for the farmers, so the next yield would be strong. The time had come with feast prepared, the villagers gathered round,
And they waited for the moment when the harvest bell would sound.
with rolling, squeaking, trundling noise. The final part appeared.
Which was laced with flowers and ribbons as the villagers all cheered,
They feast and gave thanks for all the treasures they now stored,
which would see them through the winter till
till the
icy
icy earth has thawed.
And even to this day, we come together and we think to give thanks and offer food to those who might not have a thing. Although our modern farmers now grow food the whole year round,
It's nice to be thankful for the gifts dug from the ground, and sing a song at the time of harvest to learn how all things grow. I hope my tale has taught you of harvests long ago.
the leaves. Leaves of red, gold and brown in a dance. Caught by the wave for autumn brings its prance. A spectacle of nature, grand and free, a celebration of life fall, a reminder of life's ebb and flow from beginning and ending time low. As we gather around the harvest fire, with our hearts filled with gratitude and desire, let's remember the leaf's grateful flight and the dance in the autumn's soft white light.
For in their journey we see our own in the seeds of time how we have grown.
Good and proud.